From the ocean's depths to the tallest towers, Prysmian cable will not be far away. Prysmian Group, as the world and local leader, has been at the cutting edge of cable technologies and solutions to connect Australians within and to the world. In Australia, Prysmian Cable is present under the Sydney Harbour Bridge, in all the recent WestConnex road tunnels, as well as Sydney Metro Northwest and Southwest projects. Our cables power heavy machinery in the mines and perform under harsh conditions in oil and gas installations, as well as renewables. With close to 80% share of the ANZ cable market, Prysmian locally manufactures all of Telstra and NBN's telecommunications cables, keeping Aussies connected all across the continent-wide nation. Prysmian has two state-of-the-art sites in the Sydney suburbs of Liverpool and Dee Why. Prysmian's Liverpool site was established in 1940 and encompasses 16 hectares of land. This site houses 6 factories and employs around 400 Aussies, in addition to another 100 indirect jobs. With an extraordinary capacity of 57,000 cable tonnes a year, Prysmian manufactures a broad range of cables for the residential, commercial, health, mining, rail, power distribution and renewable sectors. Travelling to the northern beaches of Sydney, Prysmian's telecommunication cable plant in Dee Why is the largest fibre optic cable manufacturer in the Oceania region. This site was established in 1968. Prysmian's Dee Why site employs almost 100 Aussies who manufacture fibre optic and copper telephone cables. Prysmian is a market leader in providing customised, innovative cable solutions for energy and telecom needs, all backed up by a solid local research and development centre. Through our local manufacturing, Prysmian contributes to the broader ecosystem by creating supply chain resilience and supporting the local infrastructure, local businesses, as well as supporting local families through local jobs. This is the core of Prysmian's global and Australian approach, a global company focused on the local market. Prysmian is a world and local leader, but we never forget who we are and the things that really matter. That's why we're the #1 cable manufacturer in the world and in Australia.